Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will see how to give style to text. So, for giving various style to text, text property is used. There are main 5 properties of text. First is the color, second is the text alignment, third is the text decoration, fourth is the text transform, and last one is text indent. So let's see one by one each property. We have used same HTML document which we have used in previous video tutorial. So here is the one h1 tag and one p tag, which is paragraph tag. We have created 3 selector. One is the body, another is the class paragraph, and third one is the h1 selector. So I want to first give style to h1 tag. I want to set color of h1 tag. So color property is used. So I will write color. I will set color using hex code. So this is the hex code for red color. Now I want to set h1 tag in center of the window. So text alignment is used. So to set h1 tag in center, text align, and we have to pass here value. It contains 3 values. One is the right, justify, and center. I want to set center of the window, so give center value. Now text decoration. If we want to give decoration to text like overline or on the text, underline, strike through, or blink, so this can be given using the text decoration. So I want to set text decoration for paragraph. So text decoration and pass the value like underline or overline. I want to give overline for the paragraph, so I am passing overline value. Now we can also specify transform of the text, like if you want to display text in uppercase or lowercase, so it can be done using the text transform. I want to set text transform to uppercase, so give uppercase value. And last is the text indent. I want to set text indent by 3 pixel. We can set text indentation by text indent property, 30 pixel value. Now let's see what happens and what style is applied to our document. So we can see the h1 tag now contains red color and it is in center of the window. So we have set text alignment and text color property, and see here 30 pixel space is indented for this paragraph starting, and the transform of the text is in uppercase. All the text is in uppercase, and we have also decorated text by overline, so overline is displayed. So this is how we can use text style property for decorating our text. Thank you.